Typewriter airs. Do not waste any more ink on me, she says to me. There is nothing more to learn about me, she says. I say, let me show you the world. I say, let me live in between your legs and somewhere deep in your heart. The romance of new souls and kisses lingering, touch, feel, copulate, wake a morning, sleep a night, die in her arms and come to paradise of delightful skin and dire truths. Words crumble in the aftermath of her departure. Time stills as I wait for her to be close. We will be young together, and I will not riot my birthday as if she were not mine. Dance the dance of the dearly departed. Dance the dance as only she can. Dry the wet. Shed no more tears, only smiles. Her soft ivory teeth, wet bark, hazel eyes, tasteful skin, and death bone hair. The spinal cord that is to me the most erotic thing in the world. The way it advances around and up her gracious back. Do not waste any more ink on me, she says to me. I cannot help it, dear love. You are the Eden in my life. You are the Eve that will not grant me the apple. You are the dew in my dawn, the sex in my dusk, the bitter white swan, the arousal in my musk. You are my dream. Welcome to the progress of your smile. The time of the day is half before your arrival. I am so ever waiting.